Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to switch mouse buttons in Windows 10. We are familiar with the mouse left button used as the primary button on all Windows operating systems, including Windows 10. One can select, drag, click, and perform normal mouse operations using the left mouse button. By default, Windows assigns the left mouse button as a primary button, which is handy for right-handed users but unsuitable for left-handed users. Left-handed users prefer to switch mouse buttons so that they can efficiently work on their PC. You can perform all normal mouse operations like selecting, dragging, and clicking using the right mouse button when you switch mouse buttons. Now, your mouse's left button will work like a right button that you can use to right-click on your computer. How to switch mouse primary button on Windows 10. To switch the primary mouse button on Windows 10, first, open the Settings app by pressing Windows +I keys from the keyboard. When Windows Settings opens, click the Devices category. Next, select the Mouse tab in the left sidebar. On the right, select the right option from the Select Your Primary Button drop-down menu. That's it. The mouse's right button will immediately switch to the primary button role. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.